Wow, everything is like brand new in here. You're watching PSI Adrenaline. Enjoy the video. What's going on, YouTubers? In today's video, we are going to be going to the car show. So be sure to stay with and check them all out. I'm pretty excited to go and see some of the cars that are there. So see you in a minute. All right, so we're here. Ooh, check this out. Hold on a minute. Sweet Monte Carlo. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Dang. Did you do all the restoration yourself, or?
Actually, I bought it that way. The only thing I did was put the hood on, air shocks and rims and headers.
Wow.
Yeah, otherwise, I had it for about 10 years.
So are you selling it, or?
Huh?
Are you selling it?
No.
No? Dang, it's nice.
Yeah. One guy asked me, I told him 20,000.
Yeah.
That's how bad I want to get rid of it.
Yeah. So it's a fun summer cruiser, I suppose. My uncle, he's actually got one just like this. Can I look at the inside here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ooh.
About ready
Wow.
to turn 112,000 miles.
Nice, man.
Put on about 3,000 miles a year.
Ooh, check out that Roadrunner. Awesome. Well, thanks for letting me look at it, man.
Yep, no problem.
Well, let's see what else they got here. Check out the Cutlass. Sweet. Nice. Oh, man. High output. Wow. This one out. Pretty nice. Dang, what the heck is that thing? Oh wow, look at the bed in this. That's a nice finish. Wow, that is a really nice finish in there. What else we got here? Boss 302. Sweet. Most of these cars, people just buy them and they bring them here. But ooh, check out the Corvette. Cool. And then, of course, you got your Hellcats. Oh, I really like this. Wow, nice high output 5.0 Cobra. Ooh. Fox body is bad. Wow, look at the paint on that. That is a nice car. Eastbound and down, loaded up in trucking. Whoa. Big block. No, it's a small block, 400. Where's a big block? Nice. They got a. Looks like they got a truck motor in there, isn't it? Or is that? Yeah, that's a truck motor, ain't it? Yep. Nice though. Very nice. Very nice. Wow.
Yeah. Where you from?
Do not touch this vehicle because I'm a grouchy old fart.
I should. Yeah, my car's a fiberglass car. I drove
Wow.
in the rain.
Hey, that's a must be a pretty famous. MSD ignition. Nice. This thing's pretty sweet. A Studebaker. Studebaker. Nice. Check this thing out. Wow. Check out what they got in here for an engine. My goodness. Thing is stout. Very nice. What kind of car is it again? Cutlass?
Chevelle.
Oh, Chevelle. Nice, man. Oh. Okay, now that's sweet. Wow, I don't even care. I like the look of the build. That is pretty freaking sweet. Beaterlicious. That's for sure. Ooh, what has he got going on under here? Aluminum intake, plenum. Oh, looks like he's got pictures of drifting. Dream build right here. Oh, he's got an LS3 in it. Holy smokes. The exhaust is touching the ground. That is a dream build right there, ain't it?
Yeah.
Wow, everything is like brand new in here. This thing was done nice. This thing was done very, very nice. Wow. Beautiful car. Impala SS, wow. My grandpa has a Malibu SS, but this thing is sick. Wow.
The other way around because I like the 59 with a little tiny.
Is it a big block? Must be.
Whatever reason, but I'll take either way.
Wow. My goodness, look at how nice the inside of that is, guys. Ooh, ooh. This thing looks like a sleeper. Wow, where did they get them aluminum valve covers at? Pretty sweet. Oh, 871. Oh my God, I cannot imagine what this thing. Favorite, look at that blower on there. Oh my gosh. Thing is meaty. 1962 Chevy Impala. Oh my God, the thing is beast. What do you got under there for a rear end? You see it? Hauling ass. Nitrous car. Wow, where's the nitrous tank at? Oh wow, this is cool. Is this a nitrous car? I don't think it is a nitrous car. Unless he's got the bottle tucked somewhere. Wow, look at that leather interior. Oh, it's beautiful. thing. Just screens on there for an intake. See that, guys? That's smart though. Cold air intake. Dang, Chevy Bel Air. I seen this at the gas station last night. Oh, look at that interior. Thing is awesome. Sweet Bel Air. For some reason this paint caught my eye. Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful color. I don't know if you guys can see that all too well. Unfortunately, there's a lot of cars here and it's really hot. So, I think that's going to be it for looking at cars. Oh, and I missed a couple. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.